How to make a Facebook page in private invite only. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile of your Facebook page over here. And then tap on the gear icon that will lead you to settings and privacy over here. As you tap on settings and privacy, switch and scroll down to page and tagging under the section of audience and visibility. So as you tap on page and tagging, you'll be able to see different options available over here, so such as who can post on your page, who can see what others post on your page, tagging, reviewing, and so on. So make sure that you switch all of these options to only me from everyone. So as you do that, you will be able to create a private account or the private page, and you'll be able to make a Facebook page private invite only. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.